I'm going to demonstrate the leg elevator, and that's generally for cases in which we're working on injuries or fractures below the thigh. The first thing I'm going to do, because patients tend to externally rotate, is simply bump up the hip with one of our 5-inch cylinders by scooting the bump, like so. And now the foot is in a neutral position. This is the BoneFoam Ramp, which we simply position under the leg like so, and this angle accommodates the buttock. This elevates the leg that the surgeon is operating on and takes the other leg out of the field for C-arm imaging. I would use this for ankle procedures and perhaps plating procedures of the tibia and of the fibula. And this is designed in a way to be able to go under the drapes or over the drapes in a custom bag. I'm going to demonstrate now, with putting a drape over it, that we're basically going to eliminate the other leg from the field. The operative leg is now elevated to allow clear lateral imaging. Without the ramp or stack of towels, the surgeon has to lift the leg, potentially malreducting provisional fixation. Here I'm simply going to demonstrate the placement of the leg elevator in a sterile bag. Some surgeons prefer to have this sterile feature so that the ramp can come onto the operating room table field and off of it. This allows the piece to be more portable during the entire procedure. You can see it has this nice durable feature for the working surface, and the rest of it is durable plastic.